Alright, I want you to follow me. Let's solve this question on the board, and we are going to take it one after the other. Alright, so for us to know the sign we are going to solve first, whether we are to multiply it first or divide it, we are going to use board mass. That is board mass. And if you watch, division comes before multiplication. So we are solving this one first. Any answer we get, we are now going to multiply it to this one. And before we continue, we are going to change these fractions to improper fractions. Alright, so let's go ahead. Here is 2 number 1/4 times 7/2 divided by 35/8. Alright, we're going to have 2/4 7/2 times. Now, once this sign change to multiplication, we are going to write inverse of this one. That is 8/35. Alright, now here we have common factors. 2 can cancel here, 2 cancel here, 4. 7 cancel here, 1. 7 cancel here, 5. So we're now having 1/1 times 4/5. So we're going to have 2 number 1/4 times 4/5. Alright, so let's change this one to improper fraction. We are going to have 9/4 times 4/5. 4 cancel here, cancel here. We're having 9/5, which is equals to 1 whole number 1/5. So this is our final answer.